top. This is scary. We're trying to go down the hill with a Ford Ranger that's very covered in ice. And Jess is still on a snowboard. What a god. Dude, I don't have my seatbelt on, so don't crash. Oh, there he goes. Oh, nicely done. He's going way back. Oh no, that's the hurt. Pushing water.
Well, I had to do that to
slow down.
So I had something to be on. I was like, if I would go, and you know, you try to carve while there's a whole bunch of pavement. No, the surfaces. Got my lights on.